Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So it is April the 19th. We had just launched or talked about our launch for our new products for May. We just did that yesterday. So they actually did a online product launch. So it was actually pretty exciting for all of us because we could see what the new products were going to be. Now, I do have some pictures here for you. I know that the pictures are small just because they're not available online yet. I don't have all of the larger quality images, but I did say that I would show everybody who is in our lovely pantry club what is coming up. So that's what I'm going to do. So we had a taste test for the mango lassi mix. I believe it was last month. And it turned out that a lot of people actually did want to purchase it, but after it was sold out. So I am happy to say that now we can purchase it as of May the 1st. Apparently, I've never had it, but it's a Indian-inspired drink to make like milkshakes and different things like that. So I'm pretty excited about it. Epicure has sold it before and people are pretty excited that it is now coming back. So I can't wait to try that. We have the barbecue sauce mix, which we have had before. It is amazing. Like, you will be adding this to anything. We have the burger seasoning, the Big Burger sauce mix, which we've had those before. They are amazing. The creamy potato salad mix, we've never had. I'm very excited for this one too, just because I always love a good potato salad, but I've never been able to make a good one myself. And this is something that you could easily make a lot of and then eat it the next day, eat it the next day, eat it the next day. So this will help because we're all kind of stuck at home now, right? So it's kind of nice to have leftovers so you don't have to feel like you're cooking every single day. The Tuscan chicken burger seasoning, that is new as well. I am very excited. There's a 2-pack muffin maker, which apparently you can cook them, or I should say you can bake them in the microwave, depending on the power you have, 10 to 20 minutes, that's it. So it's kind of nice to not have to turn on your oven to make some cupcakes, to make some muffins, because we're all at home. We always want something yummy to eat, you know, like muffins, cupcakes, things like that. And this way, you don't have to make a lot of them. You can just make about six of them, right? Okay, so the 1/4 sheet bake and roll silicone inserts. So these are the ones, remember when we had launched those quarter sheet pans a couple months ago? We did not have the silicone inserts for them yet. Now we have them. So this is amazing. I am so happy. It pretty much makes cleanup time so much easier. You guys will love these. The organic sweet and spicy mustard and the organic honey mustard was here last season. Amazing. Let me tell you, you will want to purchase at least 2 of each because everybody, they purchase them and then they say, I need more. And by the time they need more, it is sold out every single year. I've been doing this for about 3 years now. So you'll want to order a couple of those, trust me. The barbecue chicken and rib rub we have had before. There's a little bit of heat to it, but really not too much. They do say medium heat. I found it quite spicy and I like heat. So if you don't like spice, this will not be the one for you, but it is amazing. The Montreal Chicken Rub we have had before, amazing. The Montreal Steak Rub, yum. The Salmon Rub, the puri puri, which is so good. It's used for chicken, but I literally put it on everything, like chicken, pork, steak. Oh my gosh, it is so good, a must have. The O Canada, this is my favorite. This, I think it just came out last season. I use up all of it very fast. I put this on everything too. I would definitely order 2 if this is something you like. It's really good and there's nothing else like it. Like, it is amazing. I am so happy actually that this is coming back because I had ordered like 4 of them last season, and I'm almost done my last one. So I am going to be needing more. Teriyaki, of course. The sea salt blend, this is always very quite popular. It does sell out quickly. This is my favorite sea salt of all time. So there's a little bit of like heat to it, but it's quite mild. Like you will want to add this on everything. Yes, it is salt. So if you can't have a lot of salt because you have high blood pressure or something, then you might not even want to purchase this because you will want it on everything. It is so good. I had literally ordered like 10 of them last season, and I'm embarrassed to say that I had used all of them. So I'm very excited to have this now once again. We have a tea here. This one is pretty good. I like it as like an iced tea. I've tried it hot and I prefer it more as the iced tea. But I know even I was talking to somebody the other day and they prefer it hot. So everybody's different, but it is amazing. It's a very like mild flavor, but it's, you know, it's pretty good. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, you guys will love it. It does change color if you add lemon or lime to it. It's purple and then it's kind of like a pink, or it's blue and then it's kind of like a pink or a purpley color if you add in like a lemon or a lime. It is awesome. This is coming back. Excellent. The silicone sponges, they tend to sell out quickly too. I know I probably shouldn't say this, you guys, but if you guys, I have bought in my silicone sponges before from the dollar store. I know I shouldn't say this. I'm sorry. I probably shouldn't have, but you can get them for a pack of 2 at the dollar store for $3. So yes, you can add them to your order with me. Or if you guys go to the dollar store, you can get them for a pack of, I think it's 2 or 3 for about $3, just FYI. We have a new collapsible strainer, which is a must-have, trust me. This is very exciting for me. It's a 4-cup prep bowl with a lid. This is an amazing price. Let me tell you, it's $14.95 Canadian. Anything you will find in the store that's at least 4 cups is about $20. So this is an amazing price. In fact, they're usually like $25 plus. So I'm going to be ordering a couple of these because I find you can never have too many. The burger press, we have had that the last few seasons. That helps a lot. Our meal package is amazing. Father's Day is coming up. This is quite the excellent gift idea because it's not something that they would think of, but they will love it. It pretty much makes, I believe it's 44 meals, which says right here with an average cost of $2.98 per person. That's a good price. This is new, you guys, our chocolatey temptation cupcake mix. How nice is this? I am so excited to actually try that. And that would mix well with our new 2-pack cupcake maker. Very excited for that. So I will be like ordering that for sure. The Simply Better baked beans. I don't think we've had this before. I haven't noticed it. I am quite excited to try it. Each package yields 16 cups. So that's amazing, you guys. You can pretty much cook it in the microwave for less than 20 minutes. I'm very excited for that as well. The vanilla bean panna cotta, that was a taste test that we had a couple months ago. It did sell out quite quickly. I have not had it yet actually, but I did order some. So I will probably be making that tonight. This is new, you guys. So a raw to ready cookbook in 20 minutes or less. I would say this is a must-have because it just sort of helps you start cooking with Epicure and, you know, trying something new. I think we should all at this point have a steamer. They are amazing because you can cook everything in less time, and this just sort of helps you, you know, helps you, I guess, show you how to use your steamers. Because I would say that's a very popular question when somebody purchases a steamer. They kind of go, okay, well, what can I make with it? And I say, well, you could make anything with it. And they kind of go, well, can you kind of show me where to start? So I am very excited for this. They have never had it before. I'm excited for it. But yeah, you guys, so those are our new products. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I do have a sheet as well, a product pre-order um, that sort of just like puts everything together. So if you would like to see that, let me know. So I have one for Canada and then for the US also. Look at all of this new stuff, you guys. This is very exciting. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And just remember that being in our club, I will be sending everybody a free product with their first new product order when that is available in May. Plus, I still have to do a draw for those Amazon like kitchen organizational things that I talked about when I was organizing my kitchen like a month ago. But I did check on Amazon and it's taking like a month for like everything to pretty much like ship. So I guess we can still do it, but it just may take a while to get to you. So I might just wait until this whole stuff is over and when like shipping returns back to normal. But that will be happening soon, hopefully. But yeah, you guys, if you have any questions, please just let me know, and I will talk to everybody soon because this is pretty exciting.